Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can pay with your gift card on McDonald's app. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. The first thing you have to do is to open up your McDonald's app and sign in to your account. Now, if you don't have the McDonald's app, you can simply head over to your Play Store or App Store and download the app from there. Once you are in, simply sign into your account. So right here you can see we don't have any option to pay with a gift card. It's because McDonald's don't allow their users to pay with a gift card on the app. Instead, what you can do is to visit the nearest McDonald's store and use your gift card over there. Now, other than gift card, McDonald's do have a promo code option to use it on their app. If you tap on the More option at bottom right corner, you can see we have a promo code feature. And here you can use your promo code. You can redeem your rewards from here, and that's how you can pay with your gift card on McDonald's app. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.